if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with an unboxing. It's cold, y'all, so I had to put my robe on because I came upstairs and it's like our room is the coldest room in our apartment. Like, dead serious, like no lie. It is so cold in here, and if you go in the rest of the rooms or go downstairs, it is not that cold. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We are here to do an unboxing for Ipsy for the month of November. So yes, I did receive this a while ago, and yes, I looked in it or whatever, but I didn't like look in detail at the products, even though they show you what the products are. And for those who don't know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription that's $25. It comes out on the first of each month. They send the box around the second week of the month. It depends. Sometimes it comes faster, sometimes it comes slower. But yes, they take it out on the first of each month, and it's just beauty products. They're starting something new where you get to pick one of the products that's going to be in the box. So yes, let's just get into it. And again, this is $25, and the prices that I'm going to mention are way beyond the $25, so you do get your money's worth. Yes, but these are usually put in my giveaway every time I hit another 100, and I always explain that. Right now I'm at 5 some, so when I get to 600 subscribers, I'm going to do another giveaway, and these will be some of the things that will be in the giveaway because I don't wear makeup, just lipstick. But let's just get into the box and see what we have. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. This is a dewy stick. It's a highlighting balm, and it's called Ciente, if I'm pronouncing it right, London. It looks like this. This is the packaging. It says that this product is $26, and it said, "What a glow that looks like your skin but better." Basically, this is a glossy stick illuminator from British beauty brand Ciente London, beloved of their on-trend and innovating products. Like a gel-like balm is made to make your skin look buttery, basically. So this is $26, and I'm just gonna open it so you all can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I think this is so cute, this little packaging, and I'm just gonna open it like that. And this all it is, just a little stick of balm. I think I'm just gonna keep this because I'm always in need of a moisturizer because my skin is always dry. So this will definitely come in handy. So I am going to go ahead and keep this product. Anywhere to like naturally hint a face. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. So the next thing we have in the box is the Ilamasa, I don't know, Hydra Veil Primer. This primer is $45. It looks like this. This is the box that it comes in, and this is the ultimate time saver. Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. I think I want to keep this. I'm loving the moisturizers in the box. I'm loving that. So when you open this up, the container looks like this. Very simple, very cute. It has Ilamasa on the front of it, so it just looks like that. So you open it up, you just twist it. This is the little container. Let me see. I'm trying to open it. Okay. So when you open it up, it does look like a jelly. That is very interesting. Look at it. Wow. I'm going to keep this. So I'm going to go ahead and take some off. It is like a jelly. This is how it looks. Just like a simple jelly. That's going to be interesting. I'm just trying to see what it is. Okay. It feels really good on the skin. Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna like that. It smells nice. Interesting. I'm gonna have fun testing these little products out. But that does feel good on my skin. It feels very moisturizing. Okay. Two. I usually don't have anything to keep in here because it's usually all palettes and stuff. So I'm like, okay, it's 5 things. I'm only gonna win. It's one thing. Like, I only get to keep one thing, but now I have 2 things that I'm gonna keep. So that's pretty cool. So the next thing I have is this, the Only Blush Duo. This is a Gigi Gorgeous. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, the only blush duo in Authentic plus Pride. This is $24 for this, and it's named for the YouTube personality Arthur Gigi Gorgeous. It's a limited time collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. Let's open it up and see Miss JJ. I'm definitely going to be giving this away, but we can go ahead and look at it and see what it's looking like. So when I take it out, this is how it looks. It just has Gigi on there, her name. So you open it up, and it's really cute. All you do is press this little button right here, and it opens up, which is really, really cute. It's a really pretty color. There's actually 2 colors. This is nice. It is really nice. Sometimes when I open this makeup up, I'll be wanting to play with it. Like, okay, just put a little. But someone else can do like a bomb job with this. You know, they can beat a face or 2. So I'm going to be giving that away, but it's really cute. You know, if I wanted to try, but I don't. So that's the 3rd product. And again, that product is $24. So the next thing I have in here is a Bella E Urgent. This is a cream. It looks like this. It says that it's a lip color. Okay, let me see. This is a creamy lip color in smoky on screen. It was $26 for this. I am interested. Oh, this is how it looks. Really cute. Really cute. You know your girl love her a lipstick. So you... Y'all, look at this. They done moved up. Look at this. This is so cute. Like, I was not ready. I was not ready. Like, what are you saying? Look at this. Girl got me thinking I'm $1 million out here putting on lipstick. What? Lipstick? Oh, okay. Then when you take it off, it has little, like, stars and things on it. So cute. Look at... Oh my God, this sexy. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so extra, but this is so cute. And it doesn't smell like, oh my God, I got this lipstick today, this black one. I got this from Beauty Supply. Taste, well, not taste, but it smells like plastic. This does not smell like that. Oh my God, look, y'all. This is so sexy. What, you slop you up and slurp you up like a biscuit with some gravy. Woo! I'm gonna have to swatch it, y'all. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. This is like fall. Like, oh my God. Y'all. So far, I'm keeping 3 things out of 4. What is you saying? This is a winner. Let me put it back on there. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God, y'all. Like, this is so cute. Look at this. This is lipstick. I gotta show my daughter, y'all, and I'm not editing this out. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my God.
I know, it's so pretty.
I love it.
Me too, it's so pretty. Okay. So that is the 4th thing, and there's like 1 more thing in here, or 2 more things. So the next thing I have is this Marit, if I'm pronouncing it right. This is a 2 treatment. This is an acne control, rapid relief acne spot treatment. Reduces blemishes, size, and redness within 4 hours. It looks like this. It says this product is $22. And it says, you know that this really works. Founded by Derm, Dr. Howard. This line uses high performance technologies to get to the heart of your skin concerns. So when you take this out of the box, it looks like this. So I'm going to try it out. Sometimes I have acne issues. Like right now I have a little bump right there. But it's not a big thing to me. Okay, I got a bump. I'm still cute. What is you saying? As far as the other thing.
What bump?
So the last thing I have is this little purse. Which I'm probably not going to use. So it's definitely going to be in a giveaway. But this is so pretty. I might actually keep this one because I like the animal print. I'm really feeling it. And then it has the little fringe. I'm really into the fringe. So those are all the things that I have. Like, overall, this is a really good box. I'm keeping 5 products out of 6 products. And the only thing I'm giving away is this. Like, and then that lipstick sold me. Like, I don't care if it was just $26. Like, it sold me. Like, what? Who? What? Packaging what? Like, what are you saying? Not touching nobody. But those are all my items. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link down below for you to go ahead and grab one of them Glam boxes. You know what I'm saying? Discover yourself, baby, for $25. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, all my KeyBees out there, peace.